Welcome to our programming channel. Today we will see ViewState in ASP.NET Part 2, how to use ViewState. Now page is loading first time. Condition not is post back true. So this code will execute. This is first request or get request. If we click on this button, postback event is fired. Is postback is true. So not is postback false. So this code will not execute. Enter fast food price. Suppose if we type here 50 and click, now also is postback true and not is postback false. So this code will not execute. But if we click again, here we can see page is reloading. Now data is posted back to the server. So we can say this is postback request. In first part, we have seen that after postback, value of label control was not lost. Similarly, here after postback, value of text box control is not lost because here we can see for this text box enable ViewState is true. So instead of select false here, we will clear text box. Double click on this click button. Value from txt price will be stored in variable food price. Then text box will be cleared and we will try to retrieve the value or display the value in text box. So here we are taking another button, text show id btn show, and double click on this button, and in click event of btn show we will try to display value of the variable in text box txt price. So here txt price.text is equal to food price. Cannot implicitly convert type into string. to string. And now if we see page is loading first time, we can see welcome message. If we give price 80 and if we click, now post back, so not is post back, condition false, so this code will not execute. And value 80 from txt price is stored in variable food price. And now this text box is cleared. If we click on show button, now here we can see this variable is initialized with 0. We can see here page is reloading. So page load event post back, so not is post back, condition false. Now we can see value 0 in variable food price, and this value 0 is assigned to txt price text box. Now here we can see 0. Now we have seen multiple requests for the same page, but we cannot able to retrieve the value or get back the value. Thus, state is not maintained. So we need ViewState here. So now we will use ViewState here. ViewState is stored on key value pair basis. So syntax of ViewState is ViewState in square bracket key with double quotes is equal to value. We can say key or ViewState variable name. And here we can see ViewState gets a dictionary of state information that allows you to save and restore the view state of a server control across multiple requests for the same page. And error, the type or namespace name view state could not be found. So we will take this variable in square bracket with double quotes. And in click event of btn show also, And if we see, no need of this variable, so comment this line. Page is loading first time, so postback false and not is postback condition true. So this line will execute. Enter fast food price 100 and click this button. Now is postback true and not is postback false. So this line will not execute. Price from text box txt price 100 will store in this ViewState variable, and then text box will clear. Click on button show postback, so condition not is postback false, and value of ViewState variable will assign to textbox txt price. Value 100 will display in txt price text box. And now here we can see 100. In this way, ViewState works. When the application was run and page was loaded for the first time, that was first request or get request. When we clicked on click button, that was post request. And when we clicked on show button, that was also post request. So these are multiple requests for the same page, but these requests are also post requests. When we click a button, at that time data is sent or data is posted back to the server, and due to postback event we can say these requests are postback requests. So ViewState is used to maintain the state of the page and controls during page postbacks. Thus, we can store or preserve data, that is page and control values, between postbacks with using ViewState. Similarly, we can take label and text box for fast food name also. So text of label, enter fast food name, and ID of this text box, txt name, select with control and font size large. To align properly, we can use table and take labels and text boxes in that table. In click event of btn click, copy this code and paste above this line, and ViewState variable name is a food name, and here txt control z txt name dot text and remove convert dot to int 32, and clear txt name text box. And in click event of btn show, txt name dot text, txt name dot text is equal to ViewState, and in here a food name. Run the application. We can see here text box for name is small than text box for price. We can make both these text boxes equal, or we can make name text box bigger than price text box. Enter fast food name, thumbs up, enter fast food price 20, and then if we click, now text boxes are cleared, and if we click on show button, we can see values thumbs up and 20. Let's see one more fast food name and price. Fast food name burger, fast food price 80, and click on click button. Text boxes are cleared, and click on show button. We get fast food name burger and fast food price 80. In this way, we get back values burger and 80 or retrieve values burger and 80 using ViewState. In this way, we can use ViewState in ASP.NET. That's all for ViewState in ASP.NET Part 2, How to use ViewState. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and like and share videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.